playing out here on Republic as Captain Amarinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, has just arrived in the national capital. He has been now presenting himself before the Congress panel, and right now he is there at the Parliament building where he is appearing before Kharge's office. What we're getting to know so far through sources that Captain Amarinder Singh has now drawn the line. He wants the party high command to take a final decision regarding Navjot Singh Sidhu, as the friction is now going beyond at this point when we are looking at the two topmost leaders within the Punjab Congress coming face to face. Let me go across to Anuj and Sumi, both of them who are joining us live from the national capital. Anuj, coming to you first, this is the second time that Captain Amarinder Singh is appearing before the three-member probe panel, and also we are getting to know that during the first meeting there was direct intervention on part of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi as well. What more today can we pick up from the meeting in the Parliament premises that Captain Amarinder Singh has just arrived?
Amita, as you pointed it out very rightly that this is the second meeting, then this, let me tell you that this is making it itself very much clear that the issue has been not resolved yet. And that's why Captain Amarinder Singh is again, second time meeting the three members of the panel in the national capital. And let me tell you that Captain has already reached to the Parliament, and the meeting has already started in the office of Mallikarjun Kharge in the Parliament, where all the three members of the committee is present, and they are holding talks that what exactly is going to be next. If we believe the sources, then we have been told that the Captain has drawn the line today. Captain has made it very much clear that the full and final decision should be taken now, because the kind of language that was used by Navjot Singh Sidhu and the kind of statement, Captain is not happy with this kind of statement, and that is something which has been stated very much clearly by Captain, that this is going to be, this should be rather full and final from the three members of the committee which has been constituted by Sonia Gandhi to look into the internal tussle of Punjab, and the message has been given clear and loud to the top brasses also sitting in the national capital. Let me also tell you, if we talk about Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amarinder Singh in fighting, then this is out in open, and this continues because the kind of interviews, the kind of words that has been used by Navjot Singh Sidhu is making it very much clear. One more important point to mention here is that Navjot Singh Sidhu was also called in for today's meeting, but he did not appear for the same. He is very much there in Punjab only. He is not in national capital, and what we have been told through the sources, even Navjot Singh Sidhu was not receiving the calls from the three members of the committee. So that is something where we clearly understand that the faction remains the same, the infighting remains the same, and the top brasses of the Congress party is intervening continuously to stop this infighting and to control the internal.
Well, that is what I wanted to ask you initially, Anuj, because earlier the meeting between Captain Amarinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu was to be chaired by Sonia Gandhi herself, and that was postponed rather to Tuesday. Now what we are getting to know, it is only Captain Amarinder Singh who has appeared before the probe panel, and this is happening for the second time. Sumi, before I come across to you first, we have the latest reaction of Mallikarjun Kharge also coming across, the senior Congress party leader. Let's listen to what he has to say on the Congress infighting.
जी, पहले से भी बैठ रही है और सबके साथ चर्चा करके 2022 के चुनाव किस ढंग से लड़ना और उसके लिए क्या क्या तैयारियां करना और सब एक होकर किस ढंग से उस चुनाव का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं, इसकी चर्चा कर रहे हैं और सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
All right, Sumi, let me go across to you now, because we are reporting of this Congress infighting that is not just pertaining just to Punjab, but in other states as well. We know what's happening within the Telangana Congress, even when it comes to the Karnataka Congress as well. But if we focus just on Punjab, as of today, we know that it is Rahul Gandhi that has now directly stepped in to firefight on this issue, and he's called upon several ministers also to discuss the matter with them. What's happening on their side?
Yes, absolutely, Amita. That is very correct. That Rahul Gandhi certainly has stepped in to firefight the entire situation, and in fact, he will be meeting one-on-one. He will be having one-on-one meetings with all of the MPs and MLAs of Punjab, because the squabble between Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, which has now come out in the open, has left the party members also very worried. And in fact, if this situation pertains, this will become a very worrisome situation for Congress Punjab in the polls that is due next year, which is why now this huddle is taking place in the Congress, where the top high command has also stepped in to fight the entire situation and to resolve the infighting that has been going on for quite some time. In fact, this has been going on for quite some time. If we have to point it out, there were several developments in the past as well, where Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu's squabble was out in the open, and their infighting has now taken on the social media platforms, where it is certainly denting the image of Congress in the state of Punjab. And when it comes to Amrinder Singh, he has come to meet the three-panel committee that was constituted by Sonia Gandhi to resolve the matter. And he's right now, as we speak, is meeting Mallikarjun Kharge in his office. And as the developments pan out throughout the day, we will get to know as to how this situation will be doused by Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. And of course, Rahul Gandhi has also been meeting a lot of MPs and MLAs. He has met a lot of leaders from Punjab, and he has been taking the feedback. And this particular huddle is taking place, and it is very much needed for Congress, because Congress is not just in doldrums in the state of Punjab. As you correctly pointed out, there are other states where the situation, political turmoil within the Congress is very much out in the open. So in Punjab, that is certainly a very worrisome situation, and now the top high command has also taken...
As we keep an eye out on what's going to happen, even as we speak, Captain Amrinder Singh in the National Capital appearing before the three-member panel, currently in Mallikarjun Kharge's office in Parliament of Complex as we speak. Navjot Singh Sidhu has not arrived in the National Capital. He was supposed to, but he is not there in Delhi. We'll keep an eye out on all the developments that take place. For the moment, Anuj and Sumit, thank you very much. We move on now to national COVID updates.